So we just found out I have a bad injector, right? One of the injectors. We don't know if it's the high or the low. So we can do a midnight job right now. Switch out the injectors. See how that goes.
Let's see.
We'll have to check both.
Yeah.
We want to do one and then run it, and then do another one and run it.
Check both.
Or both at once.
Fucking might as well.
So that's the same intake from the sedan of the is that an 89 too?
88.
88 sedan.
Yeah.
Same fucking engine in it.
Exact same. Blew it up.
Blew it up. You're putting too much fly into it, bro. It's like chill, and then gah. Oh, hard.
Damn.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Fuck. Well, because that one's been sitting out for a while, though. So it's probably all rusted as fuck.
Here, try yours. Don't strip them. Don't strip them.
Nah, mine are easy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
One was easy.
I guess all of them are easy.
Huh?
Yep, second one's easy. Ooh. Okay, third one's easy.
You gonna turn off your headlights?
Oh yeah. Fucking kill the battery right now. Ooh, in the dark now.
No?
Yep.
Oh, fucker.
See, I saw the kit right now at Harbor Freight, dude.
For what?
Like for this kind of jobs where like you use.
Or you hit it with the fucking hammer? Or what?
None of the you put the bit, and then it has like a Torx.
Oh, no.
You didn't see it?
Yeah, I saw it. That's not the one you want, though.
Nah.
Nah. It's an impact one. It has a spring tension in it. Put the bit on there. You stick it in there, nice and good. You whack it, dude, and with that impact, it hits the screw and it twists just a little bit.
Oh fuck, real?
Yeah.
Shit.
I thought they had some of those fucking
Dude, you thought I had everything.
lifesaver, dude. You could put sockets on those bolts too.
Yeah.
The fucking hammer. Boom. Boom. It fucking twist it, break it loose.
Damn.
Probably wouldn't have worked on the suspension, it was too rusted, but it probably would have snapped the head off on one of those.
And so what do I do next? Just take the cap off?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, what's that? Was that to make pasta, dude?
Damn, I got spiders in my shit. I got 10 pieces. See? One screw in it.
Let's do that shit. I'm taking it. Fucking blows up the engine. Boom! I feel like that's it. That's why it is there. There's another explanation. Explanation, please.
Dude, it blocks fucking air.
No, cochino right there. That's why. I guess we're doing extra mods today, guys.
Take this off again.
Oh fuck! Not again.
Yeah, we need to take this top off.
This is a video how to blow up your Honda. And fuck! I need 2 minutes. Oh! Oh fuck me!
What'd you hit?
Put my fucking knee on the corner. It hurt, and then it hurt more.
Did you loosen it?
Yeah.
Did you loosen it?
Yeah, he just like was wobbly.
It's tight as fuck.
Oh fuck, it got tight again. It goes moving like that. Oh, it got tighter over this, probably.
Your camera pick that up?
Yeah, it has really good like night vision. Not night vision, but low light. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
But right now when you get a chance, so you can fix it.
This piece flips up.
What the fuck is this man gonna go to?
Back to your intake. Or wait. Yeah, back to your intake. It's like a breather. Some type of vacuum.
And hold it.
Yeah. Yeah, I need some like some stick. Watch. Put a fucking stick right here. Ooh.
What?
Yeah.
All right, now we're back with our professional studio, the professional lighting. Not for real though. We gotta fix it up.
Damn, dude, fixed up pretty fucking good.
Sponsored by QT. I wish. They give me 50% gas price. Woo! I'll be sponsoring the fuck out of them. I mean, promoting the fuck out of them. But those injectors are the same ones that we bought
No.
from the different injectors.
Yeah. These ones are two different. This one and that one's not even the same.
Oh fuck!
It has one big one and one little one. High and a low. You get them out of here though. Look.
Oh, rusted on there.
No, that's it. Just take the cover off. Oop, let's strip that screw.
My screwdriver, right?
Huh?
Oh, my screwdriver.
Oh. That's the best one I got. In my tool bag anyway.
You did strip it?
Yeah.
Well then, that screw might be gone forever.
For real? You drop it?
Yeah.
I got 3 more over here.
Alright, so don't drop 2 more.
Not 4 because this one's stripped.
Oh, fuck. I might strip that one, dude. Don't say that. Don't say that.
Well, I got 3. Lost 1.
Just strip another one. Okay, got it. I might have stripped it a little bit though. I felt it.
Oh, it doesn't have to be that tight. I don't know why they're fucking crazy tight anyways. Are you serious? Stupid brackets in the fucking way. Oh, no, it's not. Fuck did they come out of there?
Just pull them out.
I mean, it wiggles it. I mean, that's what it looks like. They just pull them out. Let's have a really good fucking
Fit.
fit in there, yeah.
Huh? That's some really good one. Hot chocolate. But your cookies is better, I think.
Yeah. What he said.
This is what we're trying to get. It's actually a hidden gun mod. Ooh. Ooh, that one came out. What do they look like?
It's little. That's the low. Has to be. That one looks little.
It's kind of dirty.
It's been sitting for a while.
Should we wash them or anything?
Only with gas.
Only with gas.
Only with gas.
You want water being in there?
No.
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 Oh.
Papa.
Was it satisfying as fuck?
Yeah.
What it look like?
You wanna swap them both? You wanna do one?
Just the both. Oh, are you gonna put it in like that dirty?
Yeah.
Shouldn't be no problem.
Should be no problem.
Shouldn't be all tight after, huh?
No.
So you can get the bottom one. Oh fuck no. I'm not able to get the bottom one. Let me cross the ass fingers right now.
How many screws did you strip?
One I'm semi, but all the rest I came out good. Just one of them I dropped out on the way.
That light's still not enough firelight. It's not tall enough, I don't think.
Ooh, look at all that fuel. What does that look like?
Dirty as fuck.
Which one do you think is fucking up then?
I don't know. Swap both. Yeah, 'cause this one looks a lot cleaner. That one.
Mm-hmm.
Cartel.